you can take the same product or service or whatever it is you have right now and make more money. I want to show you how. Hey, welcome back. Jeff Heggie, Daily Success Strategies. Thanks for being with me today. So with your current product or service, do you want to make more money than you are now? There's one specific way that you can do that without changing anything else, and that is to specialize. Now, let me go into more detail on that. In the Entrepreneur Coaching Group, one of the things we talk about is becoming the expert, becoming the authority in what you're doing, and the importance around all of that with your personal brand and all those things. And in the success path of our training program, it walks you through how to do that. But I want to talk about how that helps you to make more money. Besides all the things we talk about in the success path and the authority marketing and all that, I want to tell you how you can do that with your specific brand. And that is by specializing. When you have a specific product, even if you've got a niche market that you're marketing to, the more you can niche it down, the more specific and specialized you can get, the more money you can charge for the exact same product. Take, for example, my mindset journal. If I had this mindset journal, you can get it online at Amazon or wherever. You get that mindset journal for $19.97. If I specialized, used the exact same journal and had the mindset journal for dentists, the mindset journal for lawyers, and I got a lot more specific and specialized in who I targeted in that market, I could charge more money for it. I've got a really good friend that I work with, and he's a real estate investor. He has a really special talent for how he markets his properties. You know, he does a lot of the regular flips, he sells on the MLS, all of those things. But he also specializes in helping people who cannot get traditional financing, not because they're bad people, not because of all those things, but a lot of times entrepreneurs, you know, 1099 employees, all those things, it's more difficult to get financing in the regular manner. And he has a specialty of being able to finance these people, and because of that, he's compensated more than if he was just throwing it out as a for sale on the MLS. So what is it that you're doing? What are you doing right now? Whether it's real estate, whether it's a book, whether it's mindset journal, whatever it is, how can you specialize that specific thing and niche it down to a specific market that you can sell the exact same thing for more? Because there's an opportunity for you to do that. Leave me a comment, send me a DM, tell me how you think you can do that. And if you want some feedback, how you think I might be able to help you figure that out. But there's definitely some ways that you can take exactly what you're doing, specialize, and make more money doing it. If you want to learn more about these things, if you want to learn about authority marketing, creating your brand so that you can become the go-to expert in your niche, check out coachheggie.com/entrepreneur and come and join us in the Entrepreneur Coaching Group. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Athletes put a lot of time, money, and effort into the physical aspect of their sport, but they often neglect the mental game. And the mental game, it's just as important as the physical. In fact, it's often the differentiating factor between good and great athletes. If you really want to reach your full potential, if you want to be a great athlete, you've got to pay attention to the mental game. Now, come and join us in the Confident Athlete program, where you're going to learn how to develop powerful mindset, extreme self-confidence, and really take your game to the next level. Come and check us out at confidentathleteprogram.com/membership. Who you surround yourself with really does matter. The people you associate with and spend time with have a huge impact on who you become and what you do in your life. Hi, my name is Jeff Heggie, and I want to tell you about my Inner Circle Mastermind group. This is a group that's designed to surround you with like-minded high achievers who will help you to think bigger and amplify the performance of your business and your life while tearing down all the barriers that are holding you back. A mastermind is the fastest way to get you to the next level. If you're ready to network and connect with other successful entrepreneurs and influencers, go to coachheggie.com/mastermind.